Imagine you work hard every day, but no matter how much you earn, your money disappears fast. Bills, food, rent, and little extras take everything, leaving you with almost nothing at the end of the month. It feels like you're trapped in a never-ending cycle. You are not alone. A recent study found that more than 60% of people live paycheck to paycheck, even those with high salaries. The problem isn't just low income, it's how money is managed. Many people believe that earning more will solve their problems, but the real secret to financial freedom is saving smart and investing wisely. Frugal living does not mean being cheap or giving up everything you love. It means making better choices with your money so you can build wealth and stop stressing about your finances. It's not about cutting back, it's about gaining control. But saving alone is not enough. If you want to escape poverty and create real financial security, you must invest what you save. The good news? You don't need a lot of money to start. In this video, we'll explore 6 powerful, fresh ways to save money and invest smartly, simple steps that can change your future. Let's begin. Number 1. Rethink consumption. The anti-consumerism approach. Most people believe that saving money means looking for discounts, using coupons, or making a budget. But what if the best way to save was to stop spending on unnecessary things altogether? Instead of focusing on how to buy things for less, the real secret is asking yourself if you even need to buy them at all. In today's world, we are constantly pushed to spend. Social media shows us new trends, ads follow us everywhere, and companies make us feel like we need the latest gadgets, clothes, or subscriptions. But the truth is, most of what we buy adds little value to our lives. This is where the anti-consumerism mindset comes in, learning to separate what truly matters from what is just a temporary desire. A growing movement called the Buy Nothing movement is helping people break free from unnecessary spending. Instead of buying new things, people trade, borrow, or repurpose what they already have. This not only saves money, but also creates a mindset of financial independence. When you stop spending on things you don't really need, your money starts working for you instead of disappearing on impulse purchases. To try this, take a 30-day challenge. For 1 month, buy only the absolute essentials. At the end of the month, look at how much money you saved. You may realize that many things you once thought were needs were actually just habits. The less you consume, the more control you gain over your financial future. Number 2. The no-loss investing strategy. Many people are afraid to invest because they don't want to lose money. The stock market feels risky, real estate sounds complicated, and most investment options seem like a gamble. But what if there's a way to invest without the risk of losing your money? That's where the no-loss investing strategy comes in. One great example is prize-linked savings accounts, PLSAs. Instead of earning interest, these accounts enter you into a lottery every time you save money. You never lose your savings, but you get a chance to win extra cash. Many people have thousands of dollars just by saving normally. It's a way to grow your money while making saving exciting. Another risk-free option is U.S. I-bonds, which are government-backed and protected against inflation. This means your money will always grow with rising prices, so you don't lose purchasing power over time. Unlike regular stocks, these bonds guarantee your savings are safe while still earning interest. Real estate can also be a no-loss investment if done wisely. For example, house hacking allows you to buy a home and rent out part of it. The rent from tenants covers your mortgage, meaning you live for free while your property grows in value. This way, you own a valuable asset without paying for it out of pocket. By choosing smart, low-risk investments, you can grow your wealth without worrying about losses. The key is to invest in ways that protect your savings while giving you opportunities to earn more. Number 3. The hidden gold mine in micro-hustles. Most people think side hustles mean starting a big business or working long hours after their regular job. But there's a smarter way to earn extra money without changing your entire lifestyle. It's called a micro-hustle. Small, simple ways to make money using things you already have or skills you already know. For example, some people make extra cash by labeling data for AI companies. These companies need human workers to review images, videos, or text to help train artificial intelligence. It's an easy way to earn money from home in your spare time. Others earn by renting out things they don't use every day, like a camera, bicycle, or even a parking space. Instead of letting these items sit around, they turn them into sources of income. A student in New York started renting out his electric scooter when he wasn't using it. Within 6 months, he had earned over $3,000. just from something he already owned. Another person began offering simple one-time tasks like assembling furniture or fixing things around the house on platforms like TaskRabbit. Without learning any new skills, they created an easy way to bring in extra cash whenever they had free time. The best thing about micro-hustles is that they don't require a big investment. You don't need to quit your job or change your schedule. You just need to look at what you already have, skills, tools, or even free time, and find a way to monetize it. These small income streams add up and can make a huge difference in your financial future. With just 1 or 2 micro-hustles, you can start saving more, investing smarter, and moving toward financial freedom. Number 4. Reverse budgeting. Pay yourself first. Spend what's left. Most people handle money the same way. They pay their bills, buy groceries, spend on daily needs, and then save whatever is left, which is usually very little. This is why many people struggle to save. But there's a better way, and it's called reverse budgeting. Instead of saving what is left after spending, you save first and spend what remains. This method is simple but powerful. When you get paid, the first thing you do is set aside a fixed amount for savings and investments. You treat it like a bill that must be paid. Once that money is moved into your savings or investment account, you can spend the rest however you need. This works because it removes the temptation to overspend. If the money isn't sitting in your bank account, you won't accidentally use it on things you don't really need. Even billionaire Warren Buffett follows this principle. He only spends a small percentage of his wealth because he prioritizes saving and investing first. Research shows that people who automate their savings save 73% more than those who try to save manually. It's easier because you don't have to think about it every time you get paid. To start, choose a percentage, maybe 10% or 20%, and set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account. The habit of paying yourself first will grow your wealth over time. With this method, you take control of your money instead of letting it control you. Number 5. The secret wealth hack. Investing in relationships. Most people think wealth is only about money, but there is another kind of wealth that is just as important: social capital. The people you know, the relationships you build, and the conversations you have can open doors to opportunities that money alone cannot buy. Many wealthy people succeed not because they have more money, but because they surround themselves with the right people. They build strong networks, learn from mentors, and exchange ideas with others who think about money, investing, and success in a smart way. The more you connect with people who are financially successful, the more you learn habits and strategies that can help you grow your own wealth. A man once went from being broke to becoming a millionaire just by having coffee meetings with successful mentors. He wasn't asking for money. He was learning from their experiences, applying their advice, and making better financial decisions. Over time, his mindset changed, and so did his bank account. One of the easiest ways to start is by surrounding yourself with people who are financially smart. Join local investment groups, attend workshops, or even follow experts online. The more time you spend with people who understand wealth, the more likely you are to adopt the habits that lead to financial success. Investing in relationships is one of the most powerful and overlooked ways to build long-term wealth. Number 6. The new age of financial independence. Digital minimalism. In today's world, people are always connected. Social media, online shopping, and streaming services take up hours of our time and quietly drain our money. Many people don't realize that cutting digital distractions can actually help them save and build wealth. This idea is called digital minimalism, using technology in a way that adds value to your life instead of controlling it. Many people spend money without thinking because of online ads, automatic subscriptions, and impulse purchases on shopping apps. Studies show that the average person spends nearly $1,500 a year on unnecessary digital services like extra streaming platforms, gaming apps, and online shopping memberships. These small amounts add up over time, taking away money that could be saved or invested. By reducing digital distractions, you free up time to focus on more productive activities like learning new skills, starting a side hustle, or improving your finances. Some people do a digital detox challenge, where they cancel one unnecessary subscription and track how much they save in a month. Many are surprised at how much money and time they get back. Digital minimalism is not about quitting the internet. It's about using it wisely. When you control your digital habits, you also take control of your finances. The less you spend on things you don't need, the more you have to invest in your future. Building wealth is not about luck or earning millions overnight. It is about making smart decisions every day and using your money in a way that works for you. Financial freedom is not about having more, it's about needing less and making your money work for you. Even small changes can lead to big results over time. If you start today, in a year, you will be in a completely different financial position. The path to wealth begins with a single step. Are you ready to take yours? Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.